Well, thanks for stopping in on this episode of Bladerunner Tool Sharpenings Before and After. A gentleman just brought by this folding knife. It says Bean on it, actually. I'm not quite sure if that's LL Bean, the same outfit that does the clothing, hardware, and that sort of thing. We have our issues. We're breaking up on our handle here quite a bit. He just wanted me to clean it up and give it an edge. He really wasn't necessary to repair it or anything on that order. He just wants it looking good. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to put a nice edge on that, and we'll clean that all up, and we'll show you our results when we return. We do appreciate you hanging in on this episode of Bladerunner Tool Sharpenings Before and After. That little Bean lock back I was showing you earlier, well, I did finish that up. It came out pretty sweet. I'm very, very happy with it. I got a really nice edge on there, beautiful point. I took the relief all the way back to the rib, and of course, you know, you got your bean right there. I polished up underneath the handle, what was left of the handle, cleaned up the rest of the handle, oiled it up a little bit. Very nice, very sweet. I like the way that little finger guard comes out of there like that. Nice little pocket knife. And that is what makes the world go round here at Bladerunner Tool Sharpenings Before and After. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and share our Facebook page. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And remember, with Bladerunner, there's never a dull moment.